From Module 5, let's take a look at a question on lean operations and talk about the 7 sources of waste. So there's 7 sources of waste, according to Ono, one of the thought leaders behind the Toyota production system. The first is overproduction. And the idea behind this one is that producing too much too early leads to waste in the forms of material handling, in terms of storage and transport. So it's best just to produce what is demanded by the customer when they need it. The second form of waste is waiting, which can occur in 2 different ways. We can either have a resource waiting for flow units to come to it, or we can have flow units waiting for the resource to become available. And both of these mean that our flow time is going to be longer than the value added time, which is why this is a type of waste. The third form of waste is transport. And here we're talking about, internal transport, so wheeling around, patients in a hospital, partially completed items, and it is best to lay out all your processes so the layout really minimizes the distance everything has to travel as it's going through the process. The fourth source of waste is overprocessing, and this is simply just spending more time than is necessary on a given flow unit. The fifth source of waste is inventory, which is very closely related to overproduction and means that we haven't implemented a system in which we're using just-in-time methods. The sixth form of waste is rework, as that obviously creates waste when you need to redo your prior work. And the seventh is motion. So the idea that you really should be designing every process carefully, following ergonomics. Otherwise, you'll be creating a lot of waste.